I got a quick quarantine budget meal for breakfast. Alright, welcome back. First I want to start off by saying that I got all of my ingredients in this video from Food 4 Less or Walmart. Alright, so as you can see, I am here cutting the potatoes. You want to cut them down like that, and you want to cut them into cubes. Now some things that I keep in my kitchen that I consider staples are not included, like the oil you see right there. I always have oil on hand. That's paprika, that's optional. And salt, which I'm going to add right here. That's also a staple that I keep on hand at all time. So you go ahead and mix those things up, and you want to place them flat on the pan covered with parchment paper. You spread them out a little bit if you can, and you want to cook them on 400 degrees Celsius for about 35 minutes. Okay, looks like that when it's done cooking. Alright, bacon, you cook it for 18 to 20 minutes. Now, if you want to cook your bacon and sweet potatoes at the same time, you could do that. For my people who like to multitask, just put the timer on for the sweet potatoes, and when there's about 18 minutes left for the sweet potatoes, go ahead and put the bacon in there. Alright, so now you see I have the Brussels sprouts and the shallots, and the oil or the bacon fat right there. We're going to use that to cook our shallots and our Brussels sprouts. Look at that, just a thing of beauty. Now you want to go ahead and mix that in. You want to toss it good. Look at those skills. I got some mean Brussels sprout tossing skills. Alright, so you see it's coated with bacon, and I put some black pepper on there. That's optional as well. I like black pepper with my Brussels sprouts. Alright, there's the ground beef, $4.99, 80/20. Alright, you want to break it up and you want to brown it, and save that grease because we're going to use that for our veggies. That's right, we're going to saute our veggies in that beef fat. Look at those beautiful colors. I love those colorful vegetables. Then we got the baby bella mushrooms. You want to slice those up thin, and we're going to saute this with the bell peppers together in the beef fat. There you go. Now you want to toss it up and you want to cook it all together. I don't know about you all, but I love colors in my food. I love the red and yellow bell peppers. It brings my plate alive. And now we have the eggs, 1 dozen to be exact. Go ahead and give that a good whisk, and we're gonna add in some dairy, the heavy whipping cream. Alright, mix that up real good, and stand by because here's the exciting part: cheese. Alright, look at that grater. Holds all the cheese in there, makes minimal mess. That cheese is going to be safe for the very last. Alright, we're going to put the vegetables in there. Oh, look at those Brussels sprouts, and the ground beef, and the sweet potatoes. And once everything is in, we're going to mix them up. Oh man, just look at those color contrasts. It's so nice. Gonna top it off with some bacon. Save some bacon for last. And we're gonna pour the egg mixture in. Alright, look at that. We're gonna top it off with some cheese and a little bit more bacon if you have some. And then we're gonna stick it in our oven for 30 minutes, about 400 degrees Celsius, or until the middle is cooked. You could put a toothpick inside, and if it comes out clean, it's good to go. And just look at that. I got a mean cutting game. I look like I'm in trauma. I should have got my PhD. And as you know, here comes the moment of truth. Look at how beautifully plated it is. I'm eating with my eyes before I eat with my mouth. Just look at that melted cheese. And as you know, I gotta take a bite out of crime. Just let me admire it for a little bit more. Alright, now don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. There's more to come in the future. Have a good day.